Hey everyone, Ariel Adams here with aBlogtoWatch at Baselworld 2019 with Rolex, looking at the new Rolex Yacht-Master 42. This is the first time that Rolex has produced the Yacht-Master in a 42mm wide case, and for 2019 it's available exclusively in 18 karat white gold. One of the things which is new is, as you can see here on the Oyster Flex bracelet, there is a glide lock, clasp added. Glide lock allows you to perform micro adjustments while wearing the bracelet, which is really convenient, and previously glide lock was only available on the metal bracelets. Rolex has upgraded the entire Yacht-Master collection for 2019 with a new generation of movements, but the Yacht-Master 42 is the newest model because of the new case size. You can see the full review on aBlogtoWatch. Thanks.